Hi, YouTube.
Hola.
Yeah, part 2. Number 22, part 2. It rhymes. Oh, yeah. Rhyming numbers. No, I don't think I can combine it because it's from 2 different days. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Okay, here we go. Oopsie daisies. We just lost the picture. Sorry, YouTube. Don't worry, we're fixing it. Alright, here we go. So, 4 coins are flipped. What is the probability of the coins all landing heads up?
50%.
Well, 50%, but that's only for flipping it once. We flipped it 4 times. So, the first time we flip it, it's a half. What about the second time?
Half.
If we multiply, we always multiply, right, guys?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's like 4 times 4, which is?
116.
116. One half to the 4th power, it's the same thing. Very fine. Number 23, Michael Jordan's number.
Yeah.
I like Michael Jordan. Here we go. The letters of the alphabet are written on cards and placed in a brown paper bag. What is the probability of drawing a consonant? Okay, so what's a consonant?
Anything that's not a vowel.
Anything that's not a vowel. So A-E-I-O-U. That's 5. Not Y.
Yeah, but
Too bad. So 5. So we're going to do 26 minus 5, right?
21.
So 21. There are 21 consonants out of 26. So the first possibility is 21 out of 26. You guys got that? Because that's how many consonants there are. Now replacing it, so our total is still 26. And drawing a Z, how many Z's are there in the alphabet? Only 1. Okay, so we need to multiply. 21 over whatever 26 times 26 is. Anybody do it?
21
No.
over 660.
Oh my god.
Okay, she's right.
Can't you combine
676. 676. Alright. Remember, when we have 2 different events, we want to multiply them. What do we do with 2 different events? What do we do with 2 different events? Multiply them. Don't forget, the test is tomorrow. 24.
The test is tomorrow.
Test is tomorrow. I said if you have 2 events, 2 things that you do, you multiply the chances together. Okay? 1 card from a deck of cards is selected. It is replaced. Okay, so how many cards are in a deck? 52. So any random card is 1 out of 52. Okay, what is the probability that the first card is black card? Oh, it's not 1 out of 52, my bad. It's half of the deck, right? Actually, we don't have to, we can skip right to a half because there's only 2 colors. It's exactly half. So it's a half. We don't have to do 26. We can just do a half. So the first card is black card is a half, and then they replaced it. So the second card is the red card is still a half. So it's a 4th. So that problem seemed harder than it was. Because you don't want to multiply 52 times 52. $25. Daniel drew a toy. Good for him. 20 different toys. He selected a bouncy ball. Good for him. He replaced it. Okay, what is the probability that this could occur? So it is 1 out of 25 because they said they were all different toys. Therefore, I was saying they didn't tell us how many were balls in there, but there's only 1 because they're all different toys. So 1 out of 25, and then he replaced it, and then again another 1 out of 25. So this is 1 out of? That's correct. 1 out of 625. Yeah, because think about the low chances of that.
She did it
right?
Yeah.
Yes. from this view. Yeah.
Are you
Okay, so we crossed off 26 and 27 because those were dependent events, and we're not doing those. So 28, please pay attention. Thank you. The spinner below is spun twice. What is the probability of the arrow landing on a white space and then a space with stars? So, how do we do it? Who wants to help me? Connor, help me out.
So it's so it's 4/8 for the white, and then
Correct. So he counts 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. So that's the first one.
and then it's,
Second spin. Who wants to do second spin? Sophia. So we can reduce both of these. So that'll be 1/2 times 1/4. Easy cheesies. 1/8. So that is your answer.
Wait, isn't that the same problem
That-
from the other side?
I don't think so. I mean, it might be 1/2 times 1/4, but it's not the same exact problem.
Oh no, not the spinner one. Right.
No. Oh, they're using the same data, yeah. So a school requires students to wear uniforms. They can choose, blah, 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 blah. Student randomly selects one item. What is the probability they will be wearing all navy? Well, how many chances of all navy?
16.
One.
3.
Oh, I thought you were right.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, but there's 16
Well-
options. There's 16 options.
There's 16 total options, that's right. And we figured that out over here, right? You're right, so it's 16 options total here. So, how many options of all these different things wearing these things will be all navy?
1 out of 16.
Only one, because they would have to choose exactly that, and exactly that. That's only happens once. So it's 1 out of 16. Very good.
Yay!
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.